Before cropping a video, we should note the values in pixels that we want to crop from a video. For this, first open the video file in VLC Media Player. When the required file is opened, click on Tools, Effects and Filters. In the Effects and Filters dialog box, go to the Video Effects and select the Crop tab. Here, adjust the top, right, bottom, and left values in pixels so that you get the required portion on the video playback. Changes will be visible to the video playing or paused in the background. Once you are satisfied with the area to crop, note these values and close the window. Next, we will see how to save the cropped video so that you can use the result in any media players. Go to Tools, then Preferences. Here, select All Radio button in the bottom left. This will give the detailed settings. Go to the Video, Filters, then Crop Add. In this field, enter the crop values you have noted in the first step correctly. Then click Save. You have set the crop values. Now it's time to create a new filter for the crop function. Open VLC and click on Media, then Convert. On the Files section, add the required video file that need to be cropped and click on Convert/Save. On the next page, click on the Create New Profile button. Here, give a name to the profile and go to the Video Codec section. Inside this section, enable the Video checkbox and go to the Filters tab. Now, from the list of filters, select the Video Cropping filter and click on Create button. You have created a new filter called Crop My Video. Now, you can add this filter to crop a video with the cropping values set on Step 2. In the Profiles field, select the newly created filter called Crop My Video and add a destination file name for the converted video file. Hit the Start button to start converting the video. You can see the conversion progress in the VLC seek bar. Wait for the process to complete. That's it. You have converted the video.